Okay, good morning. How are you? This is Angel Barrios here. I'm making this short video for accomplished Chimney. Basically giving you guys 5 tips on how to outrank your competition and just get more clicks on your website and just get a lot more revenue in for your company. So the 3 things that I'm going to cover in this short video are going to be content, backlinks, and citations. So obviously I'm going to explain what all those are, but there's 3 things you can do yourself just to help you outrank the companies that are your competition. So going into it right away, the first thing I'm going to talk about is going to be content. So when you look at content, basically what that means is information on your actual website. Now, typically for in order to be ranked and optimized by Google, you want to have at least 1,500 words on your website overall. It does seem that you guys have a lot of information on here. This is just the homepage that I'm looking at. Obviously, having keywords helps a lot as well. Yeah, it's a lot of information that's being put on there. So that's very good on that behalf. It's really good to have a lot of keywords, a lot of unique content on your website. It's really going to help you get optimized on Google just by doing that. Now, another quick tip that you can do to be able to rank is take a look at these images. For example, if I were to go ahead and try to save the image as, typically what will usually happen is, well, this is actually really good. Look at that. So typically what would happen is you would have some numbers or image slash some numbers, but you actually have gutter services. So having keywords and phrases behind your images is a really good way to get optimized. One thing I probably would have done here was put gutter services New Jersey. Try to make it specific to your location or your where your area services are. Gutter services Fair Lawn, Newark, whatever parts of New Jersey that you guys are servicing in your area. So obviously, I'm going to look at some of these also as well. Leaves and gutters. So yeah, so these are a little bit. So one thing. So I definitely see that you named them. Just putting keywords behind them will just make a big difference when it comes to optimizing the website overall. That'll just get you a big heads up right here. Like take a look at that. It says image three. Obviously, you want to have a lot more detailed words when it comes to these images. But overall, it seems like it's very nicely optimized. Just a couple of tinks here and there, but for the most part, it's really good. Now, the next thing that I'm going to be talking about is going to be citations. So a citation is basically something that will get you helped ranked here on the actual map pack of the web of the Google search. So a citation is basically how many times your business phone number, your business address, and your business name is on other business directories such as Yelp, Care.com, Home Advisor, double Yellow Pages, BBB. Depending on how many times your name, your information is out there on these business directories, will determine how many citations you have. For you guys, this is actually really good because you already are ranked number 3. Obviously, these guys at rank number 1 or 2 have a lot more citations, but being number 3 still puts you in a good standing when it comes to that kind of stuff. So obviously, there's not really much to be done there. The biggest thing that I want to talk about now is going to be backlinks. So obviously content helps optimize your website, citations helps you get ranked here on the map pack, and now backlinks is what's going to help you get ranked here on the actual listing. Now, as you can see right now, I believe you are ranked. Well, you're not even on. So I think you guys should be right here on the second page, number 12 of a comp number 12. So obviously just being on the second page just already just brings you behind all of the competition. And obviously these guys are getting all the clicks when it comes to this whenever someone's looking for service in your area. So I actually did a quick search and I'm going to explain this a little bit more on backlinks. Let me move something right here. So what I use is a program called SEMrush where I can basically over take a look at your analytics without actually owning the website, and this is what I got for accomplished Chimney. So right here, backlinks. So what a backlink basically is how many other relevant websites are referring your website on their web page. So depending on how many times other domains are referencing you is depending on how many backlinks you have, and depending on how strong they are, will obviously get you the ranking up there as well. Another key thing that you'll look on here is keywords. So as I was saying, keywords are stuff that are relevant to what your service is. So roof repair, New Jersey, gutter services, New Jersey, gutter services, Fairlawn. Phrases that are similar to what you're offering are definitely going to help you get ranked a lot higher. And you can see that obviously there's not really a lot of bank links at all, and there's not a lot of keywords at all. It still brings you guys a decent amount of organic revenue. But when I take a look at maybe the competition, the guys that are on number one or number two spots, which is approved Chimney right here, you can see the big difference. So 690 keywords they have on their website. Now, obviously, they don't have as many as you guys. Let me see. So obviously you have 1,000, 1,300. They have 1,600. So they have a little bit more than you, but you can see that the keywords that they have is what's really giving them the extra heap in actual organic traffic. And just being on the first page is also letting them do this as well, as opposed to being on the second page. So things like this, keywords, backlinks, content on your website, and citations are going to be the key factors when it comes to bringing in potential clients onto your website. Now, I've done this for other companies in the eastern part of the United States. We usually work East Coast. Um, if you'd like to work with me and my team, my number is 862-800-7005. I'd love to be able to show you guys what we can do to help you get ranked and get a lot more clients through the door. Other than that, have a nice day. I really appreciate you taking the time.